Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw Shiba Inu from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's pretty easy to get this done. You must have an account on Binance, and if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. With a verified account, how do you withdraw your Shiba Inu from Binance? Head over to the wallet section. Once there, scroll from your overview to your spot or funding, depending on where your Shiba Inu is. As you can see here, I have my Shiba Inu on my spot wallet. So click on the Shiba Inu. And once you select the Shiba Inu, click on the withdrawal option and select the send via crypto network. By selecting this option, we get to send our Shiba Inu using a crypto network, and the network we're going to be working with is the Ethereum network, as that is the native network of the Shiba Inu. You can get the address from your Trust Wallets, and to do this, you have to open up your Trust Wallets. And with the Trust Wallet app opened up, the search icon at the top of the screen, simply search for SHIB, and Shiba Inu on the Ethereum network shows up. Select the Shiba Inu. Once you've selected the Shiba Inu, click on the receive, copy the wallet address, minimize and open up Binance. And with Binance opened up, paste the address there. The network we're working with is the Ethereum network. Enter the minimum amount of SHIB to withdraw and simply click on the withdraw option. By doing this, we simply get to withdraw our Shiba Inu from Binance over to the Trust Wallet app, and with a simple reload, we have the SHIB on our wallet. Please make sure you have Ethereum on your Trust Wallet app to be able to make use of this Shiba Inu. Otherwise, get yourself some Ethereum. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.